Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do our Throwback Thursday video using elements from the Home for the Holidays October 2023 paper pumpkin kit. So my throwback is the Plaid Tidings 6x6 designer series paper. This, we could even do it this way, but I kind of like it. That really does look like the windows, but we do lose, I think, a lot of the pattern by doing that. So this reminded me of Christmas pajamas. So I thought it would be really cute as the background for a card. I've got a cherry cobbler card base done as a tent fold. This is a 5 1/4 by 4 piece of the designer series paper. And then I'm going to pop it down equal on all sides and give it a push. Then I'm going to flat mount this piece. So not a lot to this card, super simple, super easy to put together. This is one of the die cuts from the kit. I'm just going to pop it down like that. And then I'm going to stamp in cherry cobbler the Happy Holidays greeting. So let's just pop this down, making sure I'm square and straight. There we go. So there is our Happy Holidays in the cherry cobbler. And we are going to pop some dimensionals on the back of that. I played with putting some of the, the glitter pieces behind, but it covers up too much of the houses. So, and I've already done one where I cut it in half and stretched it along the bottom. So didn't want to do that again. Try and do something different for each one. So we're just going to pop the Happy Holidays is going to go over here like this. And then I think I'm just going to put a couple of pieces of bling on here. It's a little bit plain, especially around the bottom. So I'm going to take some of these are the adhesive backed glitter sequins, and I'm just going to pop some down. The nice thing about the sequins is they're flat. So if you wanted to bling up a card that you were putting in the mail, these would be perfect for it. So I'm going to do that, and let's see what one looks like if I put it actually on the Happy Holidays. Oops, I just shot that one across the room. We can put one down like that. So it's a little bit of bling at the bottom, and if we want to, we can do the whole Winkostella thing across the roofs like this, and then maybe even just up here between the houses, little shiny paths in the snow. So that is our Throwback Thursday using the Plaid Tidings 6x6 designer series paper, which is a retired product. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the last alternate tomorrow.